So, hello everyone. In this video, we will write a program to print right aligned inverted triangle pattern in Python. So, this is the pattern which we have to print in Python. But before starting, I want you all to let you know. So, if you have not accessed this playlist, I want you all to access this playlist and start watching from the scratch to the advanced level. So, let's back to our topic. Here, first we have to declare number of rows for the pattern. So here I have declared a variable named rows in which I will store 5 as we have 5 rows, and then I will write here for I in range starting from rows and goes till 0 and step 1 back, and then I will print spaces first. So for that I will write here for j in range rows minus I, and then print space and then end. So then I will print stars. So for k in range I, so then I will print stars, and then I will print it at the end. So this is the program which will print this pattern in the terminal. So let's run it, and then I will explain you how this will work. So here you can see the similar pattern is printed here in the terminal. So let's see how it is working. So you can see here we have 5 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why we have stored 5 in rows variable, and then we have initialized a for loop. So where we have written for I in range starting from rows and goes till 0 in step back minus 1. So what will happen? Rows here. So the value of rows is 5. So let us say consider here is 5. So this will start from 5 and goes till 0 in step 1 back after every iteration. So first we have to print spaces. So for printing spaces, we have declared another loop for j in range rows minus I. So rows, here rows is 5 and I. So first the value of I will be 5. So then we will print space. So the I will equals to 5 as this first loop is starting from the 5. So for the first iteration, I will be equals to 5. So here for this, for the nested loop, so here I will be equals to 5. So rows minus I. Here the rows is also equals to 5 minus I is also equals to 5. So this will become 0. So as this will become 0, no space will be printed. So here you can see no space is printed. So as there is 5 stars, and then this will print the stars as the value of I is 5 for the first iteration, and for the second iteration we have rows equals to 4, and then it will goes to 0 and step 1 back. So then this will print 4 stars here, and this will goes on and will print this pattern. So if you are not understanding, let's go to ChatGPT and we'll ask it to explain this program. So here I have given command to ChatGPT to explain this program. So here we can see here the number of rows and the loop from the 5 to 0 reverse order, and then number of spaces increases as I increases. So for the first iteration, so let us see what is saying ChatGPT. So here you can see for I in range start from 5 and goes till 1, and this control how many stars are printed on each row. And then for j in range means for the nested loop, this will print spaces before the star. As I decreases, rows minus 1 increases, so more spaces are get printed. So as in the output, first we have 1 space, and then we have like 2 spaces, and then we have 3 spaces. So this is saying that, and at the last we have print I number of star. So as I is decreasing, so we have first we have printed 5 stars, and then 4 stars, and then 3, and goes till 2. And the last print function will move the cursor to the next line, and this will move cursor to the next line. So first star get printed here, and then at the next line, and then at the next line, and this will goes on at the last. So this is how this program is running. Hope this video is helpful for you to getting understand for loop and nested for loops. Also, I think you get understand it how can you write program to print patterns, star patterns in Python. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.